Hello guys, and welcome back. So if you guys managed to put the checkbox here, congratulations. And for those who haven't, it's still fine. Let's continue working. Let's see how we can do that. So here we are going to have a lot of changes with this widget, because if you see in our application, there's a lot of places where we are showing this user and his name and is about me. So we are going to be showing them here if we want to add the group members. Also, if we want to maybe see a list of our friends and admins, and also maybe in the group settings. And then if we come back, if we go to the people, we have a similar setup here to user image and the name and about me. Okay, also if you come here, you go in your friends, you have a similar setup like this. Okay, so let's make one widget that we will use everywhere we want to do that. Okay, so for that, let's come here on the widgets. Let's go to the widgets. Here I'm going to right click and then create a new .file. So this one, let's call it as a friend, what are we going to call it? Friend widget. Okay, dot. So here let's create a stateless widget. Let's name it the same, friend widget. And then here, first of all, let's just copy what we had here for the friend list, and then we will edit it. Okay, inside the friend list, so we have this list now. Okay, this is the one that you are supposed to change this to the checkbox. Okay, so let's copy this. Let's remove these extra brackets. So it's this list tar, which is where is it ending? Let's see. Yeah, this list tar. Let's copy this, and then let's go to our new friend widget, and then let's paste it here. Okay, so first let's pass some required arguments. First let's pass the required yeah, we can pass the data, which is going to be the friend data. Okay, and then we can also pass the view type. Yeah, great. So here let's initialize that. So yeah, the data is going to come from the user model, and then here let's pass the view type. So let's import that. Then maybe this data, let's change it to, let's rename it to friend. Yeah, yes, we have friend like that. And then in the view type, let's go here and add one more. Let's say all users. Okay, all users. So this view type we will use when we are checking in the people screen here. Okay, great. So now let's come back here. We can close this enum, and then here let's start importing things. So this user image, let's import, and then the on top here, let's not go to the profile because now we are using it to a lot of places. First of all, let's remove that, and then we can bring that down. Maybe we can even add a minimum leading. Let's remove the width of leading 0.0. What else can we do here? The name, we can keep it in the image, yes. And then yeah, here on the elevated button, here we need to do some check. Okay, this elevated button, we only want to show it if you are viewing inside your friend request, you want to accept a friend. Okay, or you are, where else can we show it? We can show it if you are viewing your friend request. I think that's the only time we want to show this accept button. Okay, yeah. So, and then if you are viewing your friends, like you go to your profile, then inside here we don't want to show this button. we just need to show the image, the name, and the about me, and then you can click here to chat, okay? Not the button like this. All right, so what we need to do is yeah, here we don't need to show it, and then also when we come to people, it should show like this, okay? Because in the last one, if we go to people screen, this is another widget. We did not use the reusable widget, okay? So, and then now if we come to the groups, we come here, we are viewing it from here, we want to show a checkbox here. All right, great. So what we'll do is here we'll have a check. If view type is equals to friends view type, let's remove that. If view type is equals to friends view type dot request, this is when we will show this elevated button, okay? And then else, after this elevated button, we are going to check again if a friends view type, if view type is equal to this time we'll check view type dot what is this now, the one that we are showing here, groups, okay? Group view. So if it is group view, what we want to do is to show a checkbox, okay? Copilot originals, there we are showing a checkbox. In the else, we are going to return a size box, but now instead of a size box, let's just return now, okay? We don't want to return anything. Great. So that's how we check. And then here now, inside here, if we show this elevated button, we only want to do this accept friend request, okay? Because we will have this button. All right, that's all we want to do, okay? So we don't need to have another check here. What we can do is after in this list in the bottom here, let's have something else. Let's have the on tap, okay? Here, even on tap here, now on tap, that's when we will check all of these. Check if view type is equals to friend, we navigate to his profile, else we can do that, else we can do that. So let's cut this, copy this here. On tap here, we will check if view type, where are we checking? Okay, let me go back. I am supposed to copy all of these, okay? Let's copy up to here, then paste it here. Now if view type is equals to friend, yes, now we want to navigate to that screen. If view type is equals to, here maybe we can have a switch statement, or just checking like this. Else, if view type is equals to, this is what, all users, we are going to navigate to the profile. So for that, let's go to the people screen and check what we are doing. People screen. So here we are navigating like that to the profile screen, okay? Copy that and then come back here. That's what we need to do. Document.id. So this is going to come from friend.uid. Yeah. So here we are just going to check if view type is equals to this, we'll do that, else we're just going to do now, okay? Because we have a checkbox and we are going to have it. If it's not these two things, we'll do now, okay? Great. And then now here on this side, we just need to do this. Let's copy this, cut it, and then remove these checks, and then paste that. we need to import all of these. Great. And then that's all. Then now next is this view type, this child of this elevated button is just going to be accept. Okay. And then now where else, what else do we need to change here? Let's see. I can see our checkbox. Where is that? Okay, so here we have our checkbox here. Okay, with this I think now we can give it a try. Okay, yeah, I think it's ready to be given a try. Let's go inside the people. Instead of calling this lister, now we can call our friend widget. Okay, so this is going to be the data. We really need to add a null check. Okay, why is it let's see. Okay, so here we need to do it like this. This data we need to say, let's cut it, and then we are going to say user model dot from map, and then inside there we paste that data. So here let's just have a final like that. Great. Now what's going on here? Let's cross that. I mean, let's remove these brackets there and then close it from outside. Yeah, we should have it like that. And then the view type here, we know that the friends view type, friends view type dot all users. Then let's close it out, and then now here let's just comment this for now. So this one is done. The next thing is let's just copy that, and then we go to the friends list. Yeah, this friends list. Let's first of all, before we delete it, let's comment it out. And then we just need to paste that one there, and then import that. Yeah, and then we are going to have that data there. Where else? So here in the groups, create a group. We showed that friend list. Okay, yeah, this is just where we've just from putting it, which is the same inside here. All right, so now let's try to hot reload. Okay, did we have, okay, yeah, it's loading. First, let's start by people. You can see that we have that, and we click that, it's going to the profile. Okay, we need to fix this, but not now, we fix it later. You can see that this side it has worked. If we go to groups and then add, okay, now it's not showing anything because it's which means it should but it should show. So let's go to groups, create groups. So here, okay, the view type here, okay, we pass the view type. Now if we get inside the friend list, view type, okay, view type, and then here, okay, we passed all users. Here we need to pass the view type. Let's hot reload. Okay, now we can see that we have a checkbox, but it's not responding, and then this is also not responding because we've put it as now if it's a group. This is not responding because let's go to this friend widget, and then here it's just false. Okay, so this one will make it work. Just be patient. And then if we go to the friends, you can see we don't have anything. Click here, we can go and chat with them. Okay, great. So now that is solved, we can show this depending on what screen we are in. Okay, so let's not make this video long as well. We can end this video right now. In the next video now, we have to continue in the group. We create a group model and also continue in the group settings, and then adding these members also to this group. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.